how to get a funnel that generates results, even if you don't know what you're doing. So you see that she don't know what she's doing, but she's fine because she's got a step-by-step process that I'm going to share with you guys right now. Step number one, search the funnels that are already working the best in your industry. So you go on there and you see, okay, what are the giants? Who are the giants of your industry? Who has the system already set it up? You go in there and you see, okay, what do they got? That's the funnel that they got. Then you go into the step number two. Step number two, which is go through the funnel, the whole funnel. Get all the, and maybe sometimes you're going to have to buy their products, but that's fine because you can test out and see everything that's working as well. So go through all the process. And if you lose $110, no big deal, no big deal, because remember why we're doing that, because we're doing it to make sure that you generate $1 million per year funnel. So $150 seems to be a great investment, right? So go through the whole funnel, purchase all the things, and so you can see the layouts, the things that they are using, the words they are using, the offers, the price points they are using, the kind of offers, because they already tested out those things and optimized them to make sure they work the best and they deliver the best results as possible. So you simply have to see, okay, what's working, what's the thing at the moment, what's the thing I should use as well into my strategy. Then you go into the next step. While you are going through all the steps of the funnel, you take those screenshots. What emails are they sending to you? What page are you landing on? Is it an upsell, a downsell? What hooks do they throw at you? What kind of headlines do they say? All those things. Is it a video, a photo, an image? What is the thing that they put you on? And yeah, take notes of all those things. Take screenshots, take notes, take all those things into account. And then you go into the final step of the process. I told you it was a simple one. You model, be aware, do not copy. Copying is illegal. You model their funnels. So what does that mean? Not copying and modeling. The difference is that if you model a funnel, you're going to say, okay, they use the video, I'm going to use the video. They use like a bullet point under the video, I'm going to do the same thing. They use an headline in red, I'm going to use an headline in red. I'm saying like stuff over my head, but the thing is, you're not going to take their video and put it on your page. You're not going to say the exact same words. You're not going to have the exact same headline, the exact same page, the exact same emails. You're going to take those principles and then apply them to your own sauce, if you know what I mean. You take those things, but remember, model them, do not copy, because copying is illegal, and we do not copy, it's bad. It's bad, bad, bad.